So, last time we was here, it was still overgrown and full of divots and holes and death traps as you walked along it. Anyway, we managed to grab hold of a vehicle, a little tractor, and we've spent half the day scraping it and trying to flatten it. So, if you remember what it looked like before today, this is what it looks like today. So, what we're going to crack on with next, or I'm going to do it, is get my cardboard down, get my cover on, and that'll do me for that part until April. And what I'm going to do is after that is I'm going to move on to the back, and I'm going to start prepping a foundation area for my new shed, my new man cave, my new little area for keeping in when it's cold and raining. So anyway, yeah, what an improvement. Really pleased with that. All nice and flat. Get it all covered up now. And then, as I say, that's it till April. So, there you go, boys and girls. Catch you later.